We should arrive on time to the workshop. 2. We have be cautious during workshop practices.
3. We must wear the coat to work. 4. We should use gloves and personal safety gloves.
We must keep the workplace clean and tidy. We must maintain a correct technical language.
7. We must not use a cell phone. 8. We must not do not play in the workshop.
9. We must take care of the workshop tools and equipment. 10. We should leave the workshop clean and tidy at the end of the class.